My name is Vincent. During the Tether Hackathon, my my partner and I worked on a solution called Nulope. Nulope is a payment gateway for AI agents that allows AI agents to be able to explore, discover products, be able even to make payments on those products on behalf of the owner of the AI agent, and also delegate tasks to other AI agents autonomously, even be able to even to make payments to those AI agents. So so the way it works is we have an open claw instance running. So in this case, I have an instance whereby we have a task for OpenClaw. So I task this AI agent to make a request here. I make a request, send a request to another AI agent, and then get some results. So what happens is it just tries to send the message, and then when the results comes, then it's able to release the payment. So the way it works is an AI agent like come up, we give it a task, then finds the most suitable agent, then perform the task, and then you see this agent has returned the results, and then after that the AI agent is able to receive its own payments. So that's one of the things. Another thing that we have been able to do is ability of AI agents to discover products within the ecosystem. The whole point is we're moving to a period whereby AI agents will be like first class consumers of services. So to enable that, we designed an open close scale that is able to allow AI agents to discover products. So for example, I can just say, can you query products that we can purchase for automation? Something as simple as that. So the way it works is it just goes there, queries all the agents that are not the agents, are the product that are available, and then gives us a feedback on what it has found. So what happened? Where do all these products come from? So as you can see, we have all these products that are available for purchase. So it just goes there, checks all the prices that are there, then decides on what's the best one that we can use. So you can see we validates where match the existing setup and all that. So all of them accept USDC payment, all of them. So we can just choose which product we want. So where does this data come from? So this is a seller's dashboard. So a seller comes here, creates a product or these products, so and then list them for visibility by the AI. So right now I can just decide to purchase one of these products. So right now I can just say I need access to this. So can okay purchase this product. So what the way it does is just gets the right query sent to our backend. In our backend, we are running an X42 infrastructure. So like this one, we have set up an X42 payment verification and settlement. So it just starts by verification, then decide if it's valid, then started the settlement. As you can see, just started the purchase, and then yes, the settlement has gone through. So this enables the agents to actually make micro payments and nano payments for things and services that they may need. So if you see here, it has done the purchase of 0.05. So what we can do here, this is the seller's dashboard. So we can be able to see these transactions on this other side. So if we refresh this, yes, there's this new transaction that have come here already, like that. So these are the other transactions that we were sending to other agents to do work for us. So you can see, yeah, we have done this. So we pay the agent and all that. So these are the things that we have done. So if you want to check this transaction, if it's actually real, as you can see, we have sent 0.05 USDC. On the seller's dashboard, the this is where they configure their products. So they can create another product and configure the prices and all that. And then here in the dashboard, as you can see, we see all everything that we have been selling. As you can see, we have received 0.05 in our wallet for everything that we have done. Yeah, all of these, this, and this. So then all these products are generating income for this seller. So another concept that we thought that would be good would be the concept of tasks. So like here it generated like some simple questions that we would wanted to test, whereby an agent can delegate other tasks for the agent. So the way it works is we have an open flow instance like this. So what we can do is we can say, hey, analysis agent to do this task. Simple addition does this and does this. So what you can do is just goes there, discover agents that have been configured to do this job. So we can release it like that. So the way it works is it takes this one USDC, puts the money in an escrow account. So in this escrow account, it leaves the possession of this agent. So once the task has either been completed, we release to the agent, or if it has failed, what we can do is, as you can see here, so we're locking the funds in the escrow account. If it has failed, what we can do is we don't keep the money, we do a refund. So the agent here, we have created a simple setup for a LangChain agent. As you can see, it has received the feedback, and then this is the feedback that it's sending back. So it's sending, it has locked the job, and then there's a feedback here. There's the feedback it has sent here. So after that, it says the task has been queued, it's pending completion. So once this message is, it has been sent to our OpenClaw instance, now it's releasing the funds. This is how it happens. It's all instantaneous, that happens all that time. So it makes a situation whereby agents can give other agents tasks, can fund other agents. We can even, there's so many endless things we can achieve with agentic commerce. Yeah, another concept here is like so if we come back here and see, so as you can see, OpenClaw has said that the task has been completed successfully, and which matches how they just clarified like this is a completed task, and the task has been completed. So we can see here, you can see if you refresh here, yeah, this one USD was sent to another agent. So if you come back here and refresh, we have 9 USD. So if you check the details, we can see a new transaction here. Yeah, that has been, it's 10, yeah, it's 10.55, so it's 10.54. So this transaction has actually gone through. So it's a legit transaction. The agent is actually making money. So the agent that was delegating task is this agent here, this one, the one that's delegated the task. It's the one that has been connected to OpenClaw. So it just comes here, start delegating tasks. This is the money that it locked, and this is the one that we used for purchase for that product. Yeah. So this is Nulope. This is what we think that we can do with Tether and these AI agents on OpenClaw setup. So another concept that we did was the concept of DID. So we create like agents that can be trustable. So let's say we have an agent here. So you create an agent, give it all the permissions. So this permission include like the maximum amount of money that it can spend, and if it can even do the refund on its own. If it's not disabled, it cannot perform that action. So you have the control of what the AI agent is done. So in case an AI agent like does not have enough money, you can come here, transfer like, so if I check my wallet here, so I can see like I have 900 USDT. So can come here, maybe I want to fund this agent of mine like 5 USDT. So I can say fund my agent. So like that. And then we just do that, and then it's going to be triggered here. As you can see, now we can fund our agent. So it can be able now to perform this task with more ease, since it has tons of money that it can use to perform these tasks. So let's see. It's going to take a while. Yes, now it's admin confirmed. So as you can see, the balance has updated successfully. Yes. So this is NeuroPay, and this is what we see the future of commerce in an AI agent perspective in the next coming days. So thank you for watching.